What's up YouTube, Thomas Miata here, and behind me is my 1999 Mazda Miata that's going to be on Drift Week 2. I've got an old retired FD car, shout out to Jeff Abbott on that one, that I'm taking on a cross-country trip called Drift Week 2 with Lone Star Drift. Essentially, I've got 7,500 miles worth of driving to do in this car. I had to get on the road early, shout out to Wadman Drift, so that I could get down to Texas, help them out over the weekend, and that puts me down in this part of the country anyway, so I'm already 1,500 miles into my journey. This thing's 105 decibels in it, driving constantly. Shout out to Jake, E-Brake Jake, on that one for coming and helping on the first leg of the journey and helping with FD. But now we're hooking up with Rob Goodwin for the rest of the journey, and we're heading to Arizona for the first leg. The car was totaled about 8 weeks ago, so I had to completely rebuild this thing with only about 16 days notice. Shout out to Lone Star Drift on that one. Thank you guys for the invite. I highly appreciate it. But I got the thing together. My wife helped with the design. My friends all came over and helped. You can see all the sponsors on the car. Shout out to everyone that's helped me. PremiumFuel Magazine, awesome. He's going to be editing this one for us as well. Go ahead and put that up on the screen, buddy. Get everybody follow him. Under the hood, it's got an LQ9, which makes about 375 horsepower. Transmission is a Jericho 4-speed dog box with a Quartermaster triple disc clutch. Shout out to Quartermaster. Get them in the video. So it's got the Jericho 4-speed dog box. Then on the back of it, we have a Winner's Quick Change rear end. I've got all the sponsors on the side. Pour My Beer. Shout out to Pour My Beer. PowderCoatExpress. PremiumFuel Magazine. I want to give a shout out to my friends, especially my new buddy Justin here, who helped weld up all the exhausts, and all my other friends and helped wrap this car. My wife, who helped design it, Britsy Fitsy Spider, check her out. And on the wrap we have Piston Slap, which is a throwback to my drift team. Love those guys. We've got a little tattoo me and my wife share, half heart. We've got Frenchies, tons of Frenchies. We've got 3 of them, so they're awesome. And then of course Bitcoin, you guys. I truly believe in Bitcoin, and I think you should too. Go ahead and check that out. And any other cryptocurrency stuff as well. A couple of friends we've made along the way so far. It's going to be Hot Boy Factory, Zip Tide Mafia. We got Jake to sign the car. We got Randy to sign the car. That's E-Brake Jake. That's Panda Buddha. And of course, Brian Wadman himself, Wadman Drift. We'll get some more signatures along the way. We got Drift HQ in the car too. I love those guys. Don't forget to check out Drift HQ. And we will be making our journey across country. We have 6,000 miles to go. Did an oil change on it yesterday. Found metal in the oil, in the engine oil, so I'm a little concerned about that, but my pressures are good. We have no choice, but we're gonna send it. All right, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share the videos, and let me know what you think in the comments down below. So what's up, guys? We're here, and we've got a dog right behind me. Oh!